Hi guys, this is the paper May-June 2014 Mathematics 0580/12. This is paper 1 core, and you are allowed to take electronic calculator with you, and if needed any tracing paper, and as usual is all geometrical instruments. And this paper contains 21 questions altogether. 21 questions. The last question is 21, and all the questions are compulsory to be attempted, right? Okay, now let's start with the first question. Simplify the expression. Here there are four p's added: 1, 2, 3, 4. So just add them. 1 means 1, 2, 4. How many p's are there? There are 4 p's. So that is 4p. The answer is 4 times of p. Next, calculate cube root of 16 over 1.3 to the power of 2 square. Okay, so what do we do? First of all, try to calculate the first one about the numerator, then divide that by 1.3 to the power of 2. So let's use the calculator for it. Here is a calculator for this cube root of 16. Cube root of 16 first 1 6. Here is a cube root of it, something 2.5 something, and this we have to divide by, I can write over here as well. What is this? How much? So 2.52. Can you write like that? 52 over 1.3 raised to 2 means 1.3 is 2 times. Okay, so 1.3 is 2 times. 13 square is how much? 13 square is how much? 13 square is 169. Means 13 times 13 is always 169. So here 1.3 decimal places before 1. So here there are 2 times we did it, this one and this one. So we have to put a decimal point over here. So 1.69 we can take. Now what is the final answer? I'll just divide this by, this is division, 1.69. Sorry. So 2.52 divided by 1.69 is 1.49. Yes. So answer is 1.49. Okay, so 1.49. Now, number 3, write down in figures. Okay, now we're going to write in figures. What's the figure number? 340,000. 340,000. Okay, so first I will write 40,000. 400. How many zeros? 40,000. 1,000 got 3 zeros and 40, right? So this is 40,000, and here we have to go for 300. So as per the place values, what we know in this is I'll change to this. Okay, so the first one, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, then we have to go further with 100,000. Look at this. This is 100. Fine. So what we will do is we'll take another 0 over here. Now here we have how many? 300. Okay, so when we write all of it, 300,000. Look at this. So 300, this is 100, and this one is 1,000. Right? 300,000 is nothing but 300,000. Yes. Now when we add them, 0, 4, that is 3, 4, 4 zeros. So this is 340,000. As per the place values, you see here, this one is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000. This is 300,000. Yes, here 300 thousands, 300 thousands. So 340,000. So this is 40,000. Perfect. Now, the number that is 1 less than 1 million. So 1 million contains how many zeros? 1 million. 1 million contains 6 zeros. Remember, it contains 6 zeros. This is 1 million. Now, the question is 1 less than 1 million. Means we have to subtract 1 from this. 1 million. Okay. So here negative 1. Now we can use the calculator over here. 1 million, perfect, minus 1. It is all 6 nines. Now what's the value? This one? 999,999, right? So let's write that over here. 999, comma 999. Done. Write the following numbers in order, starting with the smallest number. How do we know which is the smallest over here? That we can get from calculator by simplifying these fractions or irrational numbers. Now let's follow that. Calculate the first number. I'm gonna just calculate for this. 5 over 11. 5 over 11 is say it's a recurring number. It's a recurring number. So what I can write, 0.45, again 45. So 0.5, almost. Here I can take 0.5, the first number. Now, under root 0.2, let me find out that one. 0.2 root 0.45, I can make it 0.45. Okay, now 45.4 percentage in the sense over 100. 45.4 over 100 we have to do. Okay, so when we do that, 45.4 over 100, we get a value of 0.454. Oh, they are very close. 0.454. What was this number? 0.45, right? Okay. Now 9 over 20, the last one. 9 over 20. It is 0.45. Perfectly 0.45. 0.45. Okay, so here we got 4, 5 as well, right? Okay, just let me get them more accurately. What was this number? Totally, since they are very close numbers, I have to just go further with the decimal places so that I can order them with fractional numbers. 0.4. No, 0.2 square root, 0.447. Okay, 447. Okay, so here is the one. Now, how can I order it? Which is the first one? 0.447 is the first one, right? 3454 and 9 over 20 is how much? I'll take all 3 digits. 9 over 20, exactly 0.45. Okay. And 45.4, exactly 0.454. Yes, this one is 0.5. Okay. So as we try to put them in order, this is the first one. We will, let's say this is the first one, this is the second one, right? And this is the third one, and this is the fourth. Starting from the smallest, smallest one. First check the first decimal place for all fours. Now second one 5, here it's 4, 5, here it's 4, sorry 5. So here which one is the least one? This one. So this is the first one. Now this its job is done. Now rest 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. After 4, 5, it is nothing but 0. So we have checked that as a second one. Okay, this as well done. Now these two. So 0.45, 0.4 only. So after 4, there's nothing but 0. Right? So 5 is more than 0. So this is 3 and this is 4. Okay? So we can write all of them. The first number, this is the first number. Comma. Oh, there is the answer. We'll put that. This is the first number. And this one is the second one. And the third one is here. And the fourth one is here. Right? Perfect. Now let's go for question number 5. The temperature on Monday was -6 below 0. It is 6 degrees centigrade. below 0. On Tuesday, the temperature was 3 degrees lower than -6. Fine. Write down the temperature on Tuesday. Now, first it was -6. And on Tuesday, the temperature was 3 degrees lower than this. In the sense, -3 here. So total temperature is -9. So the answer is -9. -9 is smaller than -6, right? Okay. Now, the temperature on Saturday was -2. The temperature on Sunday was 8, +8. Here 2 degrees Celsius below 0. But this is above 0. That's 8 degrees Celsius. Write down the difference in these two temperatures difference. Okay. So what do we write here? First, the temperature on Saturday is -2. Since we are doing the difference, I have to use the negative sign. And Sunday's temperature is 8. And again, what we are getting, negative is negative in addition. Yes, and 2 plus 8 is 10. So it is -10. Degree Celsius. Number 6. Write 569,000 correct to two significant figures. In the sense, you have to round off to two significant figures. So if I go for two significant figures, it is nothing but 56. I'm gonna round off based on the rest of the number. So this is 9,000. It's more than 5,000. The bar is always 5,000 or 500, 5,000, 50,000. It goes like that. Okay, it is 9,000. That's close to 10,000. So I will add 1 to 56. And this rest all will be zeros. So the answer is 57. How many zeros? 4 zeros I'm supposed to put. So 570,000. 570,000. Round off to two significant figures. Okay, so 56 will become 57. Now, write 56 means 569,000 in standard form. So when we talk about standard form, we have to write in scientific notation. That's the decimal value mantissa, and we have to write 10 raised to the rest of the digits. So here first number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We are going to put the decimal place over here. How many I counted? 5. So the digits we write as a decimal number, and rest the numbers we counted till means from the last 0 till the decimal place. That number we write as raised to by 10. Okay, so that number 5.69 number you should keep, and we don't need to write the zeros over there. 10 raised to positive 5. So this is the standard form. Here also you can write the same thing. Find three numbers which have a mode of 4 and a mean of 6. Yeah, this is actually an interesting question. Here you should have a mode 4. Mode is the maximum occurring number. What is mode? The maximum occurring number is mode, M-O-D-E. How many numbers? Only 3 numbers we are supposed to take. In that, mode should be 4. So imagine there are only 3 numbers and you have to have 4 as a mode. So how many times you repeat a number? 4? 2 times, maximum 2 times, right? The other number should be anything, but what it should be, it tells over here. And the mean of 6, you should get the mean of 6 and mode is 4. Okay, so what we know, the mean is equal to the sum of the numbers, sum of numbers by the digits, counting of those numbers. How many? Here how many we have? 3. But what are the numbers? We don't know. Here what we understood from here, mode should be 4. In the sense I can take the number 4 2 times because there are only 3 numbers. In that, mode is 4. That means 2 times I can take number 4 because mode is a number which occurs in the most times. The most occurring number is called mode. So out of 3 numbers, only 2 times I can have to get 4 as a mode. And what is this number that we don't know? Okay, so these numbers we have to find. I'll just take it as n. Okay, actually n is the number. I'll take here, suppose y. Okay, I'm taking y. Now here number 3. We know what is mean. Okay, so I'll take it as x. 6 is equal to, here 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 5. So 8 plus y by 3. How do we simplify this? It's cross multiplication. 8 plus 5 is equal to 6 times 3. So 8 plus y is equal to 6 times 3 is 18. Now further, so what is y now? Y is equal to 18 minus 8. So when we take this positive 8 on the other side of the equal to, it will become negative 8. Now 18 minus 8 is 10. Okay, y is how much? 10. Now here is what we got. That's equal to 10. Now what are the 3 numbers? 4, 4 and 10. Perfect. 4, 4 and 10. Done. Number 8. There's a figure not to scale. The equation of the line L in the diagram is y is equal to 5 minus x. Okay, now the line cuts the y-axis at P. This line is cutting y-axis at P. Write down the coordinates of P. Yes, x coordinate and y coordinate of this P. You see the P is right on y-axis. In the sense x is 0, 1 we got. Now substitute x value in this equation. Substitute x value in this equation. Now what do we get there? Y is equal to 5 minus 0. So 5 minus 0 is 5. So y is 5. X coordinate, y coordinate all the time. First x coordinate and then y coordinate of point P over here. Done? Okay. Write down the gradient of the line L. Gradient, or we can also call it the slope. So the equation for the slope is always mx plus b. M is the slope, b is y-intercept. Now, what is with x? Any number with x is nothing but the slope. Okay, any number with x is the slope here. Now, you see in the equation, y is equal to 5 minus x. X is alone. It doesn't have any number. We think like that. If there is no number in the sense, there is always 1. There is always 1. So this one is nothing but the gradient, or we call it slope. So this is 1 but with negative sign. So the gradient of L is negative 1. Done? Okay. Number 9. Solve the simultaneous equations. Okay, let me solve this one. Let's get that done. If you see over here, we have to do something or anything to get one variable to be cancelled. We can change the signs as well if needed. Suppose, see here, negative y, positive y is going to be cancelled. Suppose if you got only negative y and negative y, you can make the second equation change the signs altogether. All the signs of all the variables we can change. Yes, that's possible. Now here, since we have it all the day, negative y, positive y, we're going to cancel it to simplify this and get the values of x and y. Now, what I'm going to do here, I will take this one. I will just do the addition. Here 2x plus 3x is 5x. And I'm going to cancel negative y, positive y will be 0. Is equal to 7 plus 3 is 10. Then x is how much? 10 over 5. Here, I'll go for this. 5 times 1, 5 times 2. Then x is equal to 2. Here x is equal to 2. Now, when you got x value, substitute it in any one of the equation. Okay, I'll go for the first equation. It's easy for me. Even you can go for the second one. Difficult. You are so adventurous students. Yes. So 2 x value is 2. Wherever x is there, I will use 2. Okay. Then the rest of the equation minus y is equal to 7. Now 2 times 2 is 4. Minus 5 is equal to 7. Now what I'm going to do, this is y, okay? I will take this y on the other side. Check here. I'm going to take this the other side and bring the 7 inside. Okay, so it will become just like y, positive y is equal to 4 minus 7. 4 minus 7. 4 minus 7 is negative 3. Right? Because big number got a negative sign. 7 minus 4 is 3. Since big number got negative sign, we have to use the negative sign. So it should be negative 3. Even we can verify the number. Yes, what you got. Just don't be in confusion that your answer is right or not. This is very simple equations, where let's substitute all the values in the first equation. So 2 times 2 is 4 minus 3. And here it's a minus 3 and minus. Both are minus. It will become positive. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 is equal to 7. Our answer is perfect. Okay, now let's go for number 10.